Hello friends, there are many people in this world who are in a relationship and when things go wrong, they break up. But those boyfriends who cannot see their girlfriend with any other boy, neither do they let them go nor do they love them properly or keep them with themselves properly. Such a news is coming from India where a girl, Kirti Kumari, who is from Bihar, came to Bangalore to study in a PG. And she was the only daughter of her parents. Her dream was to do something good for her parents and give them a good life so that they do not have any pain in their old age. And Kirti Kumari used to live alone in Bangalore. She used to live in a rented room, but she did not feel good because she was alone. Normally, if we live alone, then we have to do all the work. But if we live with a friend or family, then we do not have to face so many difficulties. After living alone for a few days, Kirti Kumari makes a female friend and the name of that girl has not been mentioned anywhere. Kirti Kumari's friend used to live in an apartment with her boyfriend Abhishek Ghoshi, and Kirti Kumari's way of talking behavior was very good. All the neighbors around her, friends where she worked as a mechanical engineer were also was very good there. They became good friends. There Kirti Kumari met her friend whose name has not been mentioned in any article or news. Kirti Kumari's friend's boyfriend Abhishek Ghoshi also loses his job, or we can say he is fired from his job. And when Kirti Kumari's friend gives any suggestion about the job to her boyfriend gets very irritated. He feels that being a girl, she is talking to me, she is making it seem like she is doing me a favor. Whereas Kirti Kumari's friend used to raise her boyfriend with her own money, or we can say that after losing his job, the girl herself used to bear all his expenses, and after a few days, that boy attacks his girlfriend, or we can say they are used to be a fight. The boy used to beat the girl as well. After this going on for a few months, when Kirti Kumari comes to know, she suggests her friend to leave him in the apartment and come and live with me, taking all her belongings. Kirti Kumari's friend goes to live with her friend in a PG after a few days. Abhishek Ghoshi also knew about that PG. One day Abhishek Ghoshi goes the PG and tries to kill Kirti Kumari. But Abhishek Ghoshi is unable to do anything to Kirti Kumari that day. But Kirti Kumari had the feeling that after a few days Abhishek Ghoshi will come again and to kill her. So without Abhishek Ghoshi knowing, Kirti Kumari and her friend both change their PG. But after a few days, Abhishek Ghoshi comes to know that Kirti Kumari and Abhishek Ghoshi's girlfriend have changed their PG. And after a few days, Abhishek reaches the same PG at night. But the thing to note is that the PG in which Kirti lived had a security guard. There was a staff at the counter and a scanning machine was also installed at the gate. But still Abhishek entered the PG. Don't know how. Abhishek directly goes outside Kirti's room, presses the doorbell. After some time, Kirti comes out of the room and Abhishek starts attacking her continuously with her knife. First he attacks on her stomach at least 4 to 8 times and then on the neck. After some time, Kirti sits on the ground. Some girls come out from upstairs and from the adjacent room to see what has happened. And when they see Kirti injured, or we can say soaked in blood, one of the girls immediately calls the ambulance. But after a few seconds, Abhishek comes again and stabs Kirti on the neck, due to which if there is even a little bit of life left in Kirti, she dies. She cannot survive, and what was feared happens. After some time, Kirti Kumari dies. As of now, the hearing is going on in the Indian High Court. Whenever Abhishek Ghoshi gets some punishment, I will inform you about it in the comment box. Thank you, and everyone please write your name and your country name in the comment.